Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to study about science symbols from 1 to 20. We are going to study elements, symbols of elements. Firstly, we need to understand that what are elements. A substance made up of only one kind of atom that cannot be broken into similar substances is known as elements. The substance which is made of only one kind of atom that cannot be broken into similar substances are known as elements. So, and the smallest particle of the element is an atom. Next is, what are symbols? We know that there are only 118 elements and millions of compounds. The elements and compound react with each other in numerical way. Writing the full name of their reaction is very inconvenient. Means writing full names of every element is very inconvenient. So it is more convenient to use symbols. We use symbols to represent elements. We use symbols to represent elements. So let's start with the first element. Our first element is hydrogen. We call it hydrogen. Next is helium, lithium. Third is lithium. Next is beryllium. Fourth is beryllium. Fifth, boron. Then carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, neon, sodium, magnesium, aluminium, silicon, phosphorus, we call it phosphorus, then sulfur, chlorine, it is not chlorine, it is chlorine, argon, potassium and calcium. So next is easy formulas for its symbols. We have to learn like hi. Just you have to remember this and you will just write the first letter of these all symbols. Okay. Formula. Easy formulas I am telling you. Hi. Helena. Listen. Baby. Before. See, we have done till 5. Now, symbol of hydrogen is H. We have just taken first letter H. Hi, H. So H is the symbol of element hydrogen. Then helium. Helium. Helium is, you can see that we cannot donate helium by writing H only because H is the symbol of hydrogen as well. So we will take 2 letters from here, H and E. H and E. Here we will write He. So the symbol of helium is He. Next is lithium. Okay, lithium. Here also we will take first 2 letters L and I. Symbol of lithium is Li. Next is beryllium. Beryllium we will take Be. B and E. B and E. Next is boron. Of boron means before. We have taken here before. We have taken here Be. Here also Be was same. Here also Be is there. So we will only take B here. B is the symbol of boron. Next one is 6th is carbon. Carbon we will write it as coming. Coming. Okay. Hi Helena, listen before coming. Never offend Florine. Nestle na Maggie. Allow Silas pass so close after kissing Carol. We have to just learn this one. It's very easy. See, hi Helena, listen baby before coming. Never offend Florine. Florine as Florine only. Okay. Never offend Florine. Neslin. I think so you have heard about this. Leslin. Na Maggie. Allow Silas pass so close after kissing Carol. I have written this. You have to just learn this part, and then you will it will be very easy for you to remember this symbols. Okay. See, hi Helena, listen baby before coming. Never offend Florine. National la Maggie. Allow Silas pass so close after kissing Carol. Now we will learn a symbol. H, hydrogen H, helium He, lithium Li, Be, B. Next is carbon. Carbon means C. Coming. We will take only one. Okay, that is coming. Next is C. Nitrogen. Never. Nitrogen, never. We will take here only N. N. Then offend. Oxygen, O. Like in water also, we donate water as on. What is the formula of water? It is H2O. So we donate hydrogen by H and oxygen by O only. Then fluorine. Fluorine we will take F only. F. Neslan we will take Ne. Here we have taken N na, so here we will take Ne. Ne. Then Na. Na we will take as Na only. Sodium, see, there are many symbols that are not having the same name. Okay, so the Latin name of sodium is its Latin name. Latin name of sodium is what? Na. Na. We will write it as Na. Next is our magnesium. Here we will not take Ma, here we will take M and G. Mg. Okay. Aluminium, A and L. E and L. Then silicon. Silas we have taken here. S only we can take because S is not there. So we can take singles. Next is phosphorus. Here is Pas. Pas we will take P. Then is sulfur. Sulfur SO is there. We will take S here only. S, okay. Then chlorine. Chlorine C and L. That's why we have written here C and L. Close. Not with H word. We have taken here L word. C and L. C and L. Then AR after argon. First word of this argon. AR. Then K single K. And then Carol C and A. Because in carbon we have taken C. So here we will write as C and These are the symbols that of science from 1 to 20. So guys, today this much only. If you are new on my channel, then please subscribe my channel and like for new updates. Thank you.